Igbo bụ Igbo mma mmanụ. Kedu ka unu mere? Unu asaala chi? Ụtụtụ ọma. Aha m bụ Irene Njideka, onye na-afụ maka Learn Igbo by Rennee-best. Nnọọ ndị be anyị. Achọrọ m iji ohere a gwa unu na ihe chanel a bụ maka ya. Chanel a Facebook page a, ihe eji wee mepụta ya bụ ka a nọrọ ebe a na-akụziri ndị mmadụ asụsụ anyị. Asụsụ anyị amaka. Asụsụ anyị pụrụ iche. Asụsụ anyị enweghị atụ. Mara asụ ihe niile ị chọrọ ịsụ, mana ị họrọ asụsụ nke ya, ọ dị mma na ị mara sụọ ya nke ọma, maka ọ ga-abara anyị niile uru. Igbo bụ Igbo mma mmanụ. A sị m ka m jiri ohere a kọwatara unu na e nwere ọmụmụ ihe nke m hazigoro maka ndị na-amaghị asụ. Yes, ndị na-amaghị asụ Igbo chọrọ ịmụta ka esi asụ. Ahaziri m ọmụmụ ihe maka ha. Let me translate it in English. If you know you don't know how to speak in Igbo and you want to learn it, this channel is for you, because it's been opened because of that single purpose. So I have organized a learning process whereby you can learn how to speak Igbo, and within a very short time you will speak it well. Yes, I'm here for you. Thanks for being here for me. Invite all your friends, invite all your relatives, everybody, invite them. We are loaded here. On Facebook, our Facebook page handle is Learn Igbo by Rennee-best. Learn Igbo language, yes, Learn Igbo language by Rennee-best. On YouTube, we have it also as Learn Igbo by Rennee-best. So you can follow any of the handles and rest assured that you will learn it very well. Feel free to come to my inbox to ask me. Just go straight to the point. Please, I need to understand this. I want to know this. I want you to treat this topic. Yes, I will treat whatsoever topic you want me to treat. That is why I'm here for you. Thank you very much for being here till this time. Like, share this post. Let it reach to as many people as possible, people that need it. There are many people that need it. They don't know how to go about it. Please, just reach out to them and they will thank you. And also thank me. Have a lovely day. Bye.